A taste of tradition, borscht and its humble origins. Borscht, a vibrant beetroot soup, is more than just a meal in Eastern Europe. It's a symbol of warmth, family, and tradition. Passed down through generations, this recipe celebrates simple ingredients transformed into a symphony of flavors. The star is the humble beetroot, lending its earthy sweetness to the broth. Cabbage adds a welcome crunch while fresh dill brightens each spoonful. Join me as we create a pot of this comforting classic, perfect for any occasion. Preparing the garden's bounty vegetables prepped to perfection. First, we'll prepare our vegetables. Scrub 2 large beetroots clean, then chop them into small bite-sized pieces. Next, peel and dice 3 carrots. Finally chop 1 large onion and mince 3 cloves of garlic. If you fancy, peel and cube 2 potatoes for extra hardiness. Finally, shred half a head of cabbage. The sizzle of flavor, sautéing onions and garlic. Now let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn translucent and soften. Toss in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. This step infuses the oil with savory notes, creating a delicious foundation for our borscht. The heart of borscht: cooking beetroot and carrots. It's time for the stars of the show, beetroots and carrots. Add the chopped beetroots and carrots to the pot with the onions and garlic. Stir well to coat them in the fragrant oil. Cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step helps to soften the vegetables and develop their natural sweetness. A symphony of flavors: broth, seasonings, and the perfect simmer. Pour 6 cups of vegetable broth into the pot, ensuring the vegetables are fully submerged. Add a bay leaf, a teaspoon of dried dill, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you're using potatoes, add them now. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for at least 45 minutes, or until the beetroots and carrots are tender. The finishing touches: cabbage, dill, and a touch of brightness. Now, stir in the shredded cabbage and cook for another 10 minutes, or until the cabbage is wilted, but still retains a bit of crunch. Remove the pot from the heat and discard the bay leaf. Finally, taste the borscht and adjust the seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a splash of red wine vinegar or lemon juice to your liking. This brightens the flavors, adding a touch of tanginess that balances the sweetness of the beetroot. A bowl of comfort serving and savoring borscht. Ladle the steaming borscht into bowls. Top each serving with a dollop of sour cream or yogurt and a sprinkle of fresh dill. The creamy coolness of the sour cream complements the hearty soup beautifully, while the fresh dill adds a final burst of flavor. Borscht is truly a feast for the senses, and even more delicious the next day, as the flavors have had time to meld and deepen.
Welcome, food enthusiasts. We're excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens aren't just salad ingredients. These nutritional powerhouses offer a wealth of benefits when transformed into refreshing, nutrient-dense juices. Let's delve into the exceptional advantages of incorporating these greens into your daily juice regimen. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos about healthy diets and recipes. Benefits: rich in essential vitamins. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and a host of B vitamins such as folate and B6. These vitamins support various bodily functions, including immunity, vision, skin health, and energy production. Abundant minerals. These greens boast an array of essential minerals, including calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Calcium supports bone health, potassium aids in blood pressure regulation, and magnesium and iron contribute to overall well-being and energy levels. High in antioxidants. Loaded with powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, leafy greens help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants are known for reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting healthy aging. Support heart health. The nitrates in leafy greens have been associated with lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. Additionally, their high levels of potassium support heart health by regulating blood pressure. Aid digestion and weight management. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Moreover, they are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Preparation and building. You can add a variety of leafy greens to the juicer, producing a vibrant green juice. Afsan Farm's Kitchen incorporating leafy greens into your daily juice is simple. Wash the greens thoroughly, remove any tough stems, and then blend them in a juicer or blender to create a refreshing and revitalizing beverage. Finally, now, you would enjoy a glass of green juice, which radiates energy and vitality. From boosting your immune system to promoting heart health and aiding digestion, the benefits of leafy greens in juicing are truly remarkable. Elevate your health and well-being by savoring the green elixir, a delightful way to embrace the nourishing power of these incredible greens. Also, you can mix your green juice with tomatoes or apple. Cheers to a healthier you with leafy green juices. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for taking the time to watch.